Hey guys, this is Scott and Ariane with This Nomadic Idea. Today I'm going to share with you a nomadic meal that's going to blow you away. You can cook it anywhere, anytime, especially on the road, maybe even in the backcountry, and you don't need clean water to cook it. You can use any kind of water you have, even recycled water, to cook a hot piping meal, and it's really good. So today we're talking about OMEALS. Now, I've seen these before. They've been around for a minute, but these little guys are for RV travel, for nomadic travel. You cannot beat these things because you can cook these in the worst conditions possible and still get a really super hot meal. I'm gonna cook pasta fagioli today, and they may be a little bit heavier for me to take out in the backcountry and put in my backpack, but for the Airstream, for nomadic travel, oh, absolutely I'm gonna have these as a go-to meal when we're on the road. What makes OMEALS so different is that you can use really any kind of water. You can use creek water, you can use recycled water, you can use dirty water. It really doesn't make any difference, which makes these so unique. Because sometimes when you're living nomadically, water can be a little bit of an issue. And the cool thing about this is that as we are only going to have a 35-gallon freshwater tank in the Airstream, we could recycle water, reuse like dishwash water, and cook this meal. And that's exactly what I want to show you today, is that this is a really good alternative way to save water while you're living a nomadic life. The other piece of nomadic gear that we have in the Airstream is the Sea to Summit Seal and Go. Well, we love the Sea to Summit collapsible bowls because, well, you can fit them almost anywhere. They're collapsible, they have lids on them, and they're really super sturdy. So I'll be cooking the OMEALS in here and be using my other Sea to Summit collapsible cup to put the water in. So these are really, really super handy, and I'm hungry, so I cannot wait to eat. So the OMEALS are self-heating. They have a biodegradable heater in there, which makes it really environmentally safe. Not the fact that you can recycle water to cook these things. They're really super easy, so we're just going to follow the instructions. The whole cooking time is about 3 to 5 minutes, 3 to 6 minutes, and we can eat. And I'll go through the instructions on how to do that. So the instructions are really, really super clear. This is the heater bag. So you rip this open, you take the heating element out, stick it in your OMEALS bag. Then you stick your OMEALS food bag in the OMEALS bag. So it's 2 bags in the package that it comes in with. And so it's really super easy. There's a heating element in there, and then you pour 4 to 6 ounces of water in the bag. So in this case, I've measured 4 to 6 ounces of water in another Sea to Summit cup. I measured it because I know the second indentation from the bottom is exactly 5 ounces of water. So you can kind of pre-measure all that stuff before you start going out on your adventures. That way you never have to guess. But I filled it up with, this is creek water. It's not filtered. I have no idea what's in it. It doesn't make any difference because the water never touches the food. So let's cook it. So you can see the steam is still coming out of the bag. There's hardly any water in here when you open it up. Look how much that thing is steaming. That's crazy. So this is the bag. So you see that the water never touches your food. So the cool thing is that everything I came back in the woods with, I'm taking out with me, including the wrapper, the heating element, the napkin, everything. Which is cool because I used unfiltered water from a creek to cook a hot meal, but I didn't have to put anything back in the water, like not like a dirty dish or cleaning the dish or anything. I just used the napkin to wipe this down. It's pretty clean. And now I can just walk out with this. So I think it's a pretty good deal, especially for nomadic living. So anyway, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Really super appreciate it. Remember, leave no trace no matter where you go, no matter whether you're an RV, backpacking, hiking, makes no difference. Always leave no trace. And please subscribe to our channel. Super appreciate all the comments lately. And yeah, cool. We'll see you guys on the trail. Bye.